today we're gonna be doing something I think you guys are gonna like a lot. This is something a little different. A good friend of mine, Jake, he's been talking. We've been talking. It's like, hey Pete, I really like your channel, but I'm vegan. What do you got for me? What kind of grilling stuff you got for me? And I thought, Jake, I don't really, I'm not a vegan. I don't make vegan food, but thought about it. We're gonna make a dessert. What's better than a nice smoky dessert? Maybe just some smoky meat, but hey, people gotta eat sweets too. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be grilling peaches.
That's the wrong drawer.
That's the wrong drawer. There's a knife in this drawer somewhere. Here it is, my trusty knife. So yeah, we're just gonna. This is simple. This is a simple, quick one. You're gonna have these peaches, take the pits out, and just grill them. Juice, whatever. Pulp. What is that called on the inside of peaches?
The nut.
The meat, I guess.
The pit.
Of the peach.
The pit.
Yeah. So I don't know how to open these things. Like I said, I'm not a vegan, so I don't know how to open peaches because I don't eat vegan food. Video editing, and they're gonna get cut right now. All right, we're done. So we're gonna butter these up. You're gonna put some butter on them so they don't stick to the grates, and we'll be outside. We'll meet you outside. We'll be outside. We'll see you outside. Here. Yeah, there we go. Alrighty, we got the grill nice and hot. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get these peaches on there, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them just right, direct heat. No, we're not doing no reverse sear now. Today, nowadays, anytime, but yeah. So you give them some direct heat right here. Make sure it's nice and hot, That's why I use tongs, so you don't burn your fingers. I'm concentrating, I don't usually put vegetables on the grill. So really. Gotta make sure I'm concentrating. So we're gonna leave these up there for about 2 minutes, and then so we got this nice brown sugar cinnamon mix that we're gonna in 2 minutes we're gonna take these guys off real quick, sprinkle them with some brown sugar cinnamon, bring them back on, and let that caramelize, and then we're done. Simple. Maybe take you about 5 minutes. So see you in a second. All right, so then we got the been letting them cook for a little bit, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna take them off. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, these didn't really. Oh, well, you know what? They're going back on, so. Like I said, I'm not a vegetarian, guys. I don't know how to handle vegetables on the grill. So, if you got a problem with that, you know what? Write in the comments about it. We're just gonna sprinkle that brown sugar on there, and yeah, there we go. So we're putting these peaches now back on the grill. Move that one out of there a little bit, make sure it got kind of cooked already. So we're gonna. Yeah, it smells real good, doesn't it? Ooh. It's starting to light up a little bit. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh no. There we go. All right, so we're gonna, let these kind of heat up a little bit more, maybe for another 2 minutes, and we'll see you back inside once we're all finished up with the stuff. Okay, so we're back in the kitchen now. We got our peaches all pulled off the grill. Look at that. Some of them are a little burnt. Some of them are a little bit less well done. And I think that adds to the variety. Some people like a little bit more charred. Some people like it a little bit less charred. So, hey, give these a try. Let everyone have their own pick or something. Or anyway, my son Merm is gonna do the honors of the first taste test. So yeah, let's go, Merm. Okay, Merm.
We'll go for a rare.
Go for a rare one.
Smoked.
What do you think?
Smokehouse.
And that's good. That means he likes them. Thank you
Wow.
very much for my YouTube channel, folks.
Wow.
What? That means that he likes them. So,
Oh yeah, baby.
thank you very much for watching, everyone. See you next time.